just not before. Waiting for the Fendi show to start. Oof, that bag. First is I'm gonna make a vision board. Yay! Happy move-in day! I am so excited to finally have my closet back. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Had a coffee and we're gonna go move in. Well, I'm not gonna move in. I'm gonna supervise. Oh, I need to get my locker key. Supervise people moving me in. But I'm very excited. It's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Never moved in the winter before. It's gonna be interesting. What's the number? I don't know. Let's just try a bunch of locks. Okay. Just kidding. What? Okay. I think it's this one. Okay, it's not down there, so maybe it's back here. I know it's on this side. Okay. Maybe it's this first one here. What about that one? No. Nice. Very clean storage unit. Oh my god. Full do the job. Welcome to my apartment. Okay. That is the couch under everything. Look at all your jackets. I know, I had like a panic attack earlier because I thought the couch wasn't wrapped and I thought that like, I just had a vision that there's a leak in here and the couch is fucked. Oh my god. Anything else. I've moved like 15 times and I'm like, should we help? They don't want us to take like one bag. They're like, you're doing it wrong. What is that? Okay. Final reveal. Whoa. Empty. Okay. All good. How do you open them? Like this. Well, for now, until I get. Oh my goodness. So nice, right? It's like a little, this is like a little cabinet. For like mops and like brooms and like
oh my god, just like a little.
Yeah.
No way.
It's so good.
This is amazing. Selling, keeping off.
Oh, you know what I got?
What'd you get?
Head massager for the shower.
Oh, have you tried it before?
No.
Have you heard good things?
It's good for your hair though. Scalp stimulator.
Are you gonna use it right now?
I need it. I'm gonna get dandruff from Accutane.
Oh no.
Oh, guys, I'm so overwhelmed. We're not even halfway in and like.
Also, the couch like this is just sad. But yeah, this is like halfway. But honestly, it's been like
not halfway.
Yeah, but it's been the easiest move. We started at 8:30. It's 10:30, and like you know, everything's like we only have boxes left really.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good. When you move this often, you get pretty good at it, I think.
Definitely.
Between the two of us, we've moved 20 times in the last fucking 2 years.
It's been a ride.
It's been good. It's pleasant. I'm very excited about this though. It's gonna be so good. And look, outfit photos, very nice. Say hi. So Allegra's decided to start unpacking. This is the first box she chose. Food.
So dirty. It's really gross. I wish I could move in a day. Why did it take me fucking 6 months?
Well, we could have done it in a day if you weren't renovating.
I feel like though, I'm not gonna be like fully moved in, like fully done until like the summer, and that's gonna have been a year. Ew.
Well, you also, it's going to be a completely different place than when you last year.
Ew. Amazing. Appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
And we're in. Crazy. I live here now.
Crazy. Let's go get some lunch.
Yeah, we deserve it.
Yum. I can't even keep it focused. I'm like, lunch time.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to.
Gotta start somewhere.
We have.
I know it's a mess.
Just keep getting messier.
I know. That's why I think.
Maybe we should take the garbage down.
Okay. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, break. Oh yeah. A bigger giveaway box? Okay.
Okay, we're reorganizing so that it's not in the middle of the room, which we should have the movers to do, but we didn't. So I think we did, I mean, it doesn't look like we did anything. We actually did a lot.
Allegra threw out a lot of stuff.
There are a lot of stuff, which in 2021, I'm going to become a minimalist as best as I can. So we're going to move all the boxes on this wall with the tags facing out. And I think that will make life easier.
I think so too. Okay, let's...
Oh, I can't let that out.
Okay, let's do it.
I don't.
1.
I might throw it my back. Okay. Oh, it's on my foot. Okay. Did it? Okay, come to the closet. I'm so just, I can't believe I put me looking like this on the internet.
Oh my god.
It's getting there. So we're gonna have Shelly, who organized my last place, come in and organize, but it's good. I have a lot of sweatshirts.
You think? This isn't even all of them.
I know, because I have like 50 at Jonathan's.
So pretty empty so far.
Yeah. We're both breathing so heavy. But like, look at downstairs. I think we did like
I'm gonna do an over aerial view.
pretty good job.
Wow.
Pretty.
It doesn't look impressive from here.
It doesn't?
Not really.
Oh,
We should have taken an aerial shot before.
we should have done like a before now.
I know. Well, we kind of have that. I guess I have.
Should have told you that.
It's now dark
Now
outside.
dark outside, and it's so cold in here. It's not funny. Like, it's the Arctic. Why is it 60 degrees?
I'm gonna take another aerial view. Hopefully it's more impressive.
Did you turn it up?
No?
But I think we did good.
Okay,
Well,
final
well.
reveal. Wow. I think it looks pretty good, to be honest. So what's the game plan now, Legs? No, like...
I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do some more stuff, but the next time that we check in will be...
Allegra will be 28!
I'll be 28, my birthday's tomorrow. And Shelly's gonna come next week and do some organization. So we'll have an organization video, but that was moving vlog 1. Bye.